organism get live. Okay, that is meant by lifespan. Okay, so in our scientific term, we called life is the process where someone work. Okay, they do their work, that is natural things they can do, जो भी है वो करते हैं, and after that they going to be senescence stage, that is a natural death. Okay, and that means life. Okay, lifespan is a sum of we can say uh, numerical part where we can measure how many days he get life. Okay, so this thing we measure in the lifespan. ओके ठीक है चलिए, मैं कैमरा को ऑफ कर देता हूँ इफ माय वॉइस नॉट कमिंग प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, सो चलिए. So there have one question, which of the following has the longest lifespan? Because this thing we also discussed in last session. And I am launching the poll, and question is which of following has the longest lifespan? Banyan tree, tortoise, parrot, and elephant. I am launching the poll for you. Please, guys, give me answer. Because in some examination, in some competitive examination, they ask several type of question. Okay, that's why here I am adding this question for your acknowledgement. Okay, correct Jyoti, correct Suma, correct Raghavi, correct Pooja, correct Rukmini, correct Shivanand. Okay, correct Shanta. Okay, only 20 seconds left, guys. Please answer fast. Okay, I'm ending the poll, and this is your answer. Option A chosen by many people, and obviously option A is the correct option. Okay, that is banyan tree. So banyan tree have a long lifespan. That means it live up to the 400 year, or we can say 400 plus year. Okay, so I am right here, 400 plus year. The life of banyan tree is the 400 plus year. In case of tortoise, it live up to 200 year. In case of parrot, it live up to 140 year. Elephant, the life of elephant is the 65 year, and that's why option A is the correct. That is banyan. Okay, so let's going toward the next. Stem cutting are commonly used in propagation of mango, cotton, rose, banana. First of all, I think you have already idea about the stem cutting. Stem cutting के बारे में I think सभी को पता है, because this is a common practice in your houses. That's why. Correct Raghavi, correct Rukmini, correct Karan, correct Deepa, correct Sandhya Rani, correct Suma, correct Jyoti. Okay, so I am launching a poll for you. Please answer in poll. Correct Shivanand, correct Hemant, correct Chandrasekhar. Okay, I think you already know about it. This is a very common thing actually. Correct Pooja. Okay. Correct, Shivananda. Okay, guys, answer fast. Okay, incorrect, Hemant. So I am ending the poll, and this is your result. Maximum people choose an option C. Obviously, option C is the correct option. Okay, because this is a very common. Stem cutting are the commonly used propagation of rows. Correct answer is the rows. Then what is the mean by stem cutting? So for stem cutting, for example, this is our tree, or we can say this is our plant. Okay, this is plant. So we just cut the stem. Okay, for example, this is the extra stem. Okay, so we just cut the stem with a blade from this portion, and this cutted part again uh, insert inside the soil. ओके, इसको और हम सॉइल के अंदर जो है लगा देंगे. ठीक है, वी सॉ इन द सॉइल लाइक दैट, and after some days it develop root here. After some days it develop root here, and you also known as it is the one of form of vegetative propagation. Okay, so what is meant by propagation? Propagation is the process where uh, organism get a propagate. Okay, propagation in the sense, for example, this is the one part and it converted to again and again and again. That process is known as the propagation actually. And vegetative propagation means, actually vegetative propagation is word used for the propagation in the plant. Okay, where we use asexual parts. Okay, asexual part in the sense, for example, seed is the sexual portion or product of sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Okay, but asexual part means somatic parts, and somatic part of plant are the root, stems. Okay, so these things are the somatic portions, leaf. Okay, and that's why we call the asexual propagation, or we can say vegetative propagation. Okay, so let's start with this thing. And this is a basic feature of reproduction. We already discussed some feature in last lecture, but this is some deepest feature. Okay, so synthesis of RNA, protein, and other biomolecule, and this happened due to reproduction. Okay, so in the reproduction, this complete process get happen. Then how produce RNA, how produce protein, and how produce other biochemical. This will we discuss in the next days in molecular biology. Okay, so you already know DNA. Okay, DNA is a deoxyribose nucleic acid. Okay, and this DNA is the genetic material. Genetic material means a material which transfer from one generation to another generation, that is known as a genetic material. And DNA is the currency of genetic material. Next thing is the RNA. Okay, so DNA are the self-made component. That means DNA make a DNA. DNA make a DNA, and that process is known as replication. DNA made RNA, okay, and that process known as the transcription. RNA make a protein, okay, and that process is known as the translation. So these three processes completely known as a central dogma of life. That means life start with this thing. If this, if anyone missing from the life, at that time life doesn't exist. मतलब इसमें से अगर एक कोई भी नहीं रहता है, आइदर डीएनए मिसिंग है, आरएनए मिसिंग है या प्रोटीन मिसिंग है, तो उसे हम लाइफ नहीं कहेंगे. बट देयर आर सम एक्सेप्शन बिकॉज सम वायरसेस डोंट कंटेन अ डीएनए, उनमें डीएनए नहीं रहता, बिकॉज सम वायरसेस आर दी आरएनए कंटेनिंग वायरस. दैट मीन्स genetic material in some viruses are the RNA. Okay. So synthesis of RNA, protein and other biomolecules. In case of other biomolecules, there have lot of hormones, okay, enzymes, are these things are the biochemicals, or we can say biomolecule, no issue. इसको biochemical या biomolecule बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. So this is the one of feature of reproduction. Next is the replication of DNA. So what is meant by replication? I already told about the replication. Replication is the process where DNA converted into DNA or DNA replicate into DNA. Okay, replica means carbon copy. Okay, so DNA make a same copy of DNA. That is meant by replication process. Okay, yes, copying of DNA. Correct, Radha. Next thing is the cell division. Then what is the mean by cell division? You already know there have main two part in cell division. अगर हम देखें तो there have broadly two part, that is meiosis and mitosis. But if we talk about the process of cell division, then there have two part of it, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Okay, so in case of karyokinesis, actually this thing already you learn in last year in the sense in the 11th standard. So karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Then what is meant by karyokinesis, guys? Karyokinesis is nothing but the division of nucleus. Okay, that is a karyokinesis. Okay, and cytokinesis is the division of cell. Okay, so this process is a very important in cell division. There have two types in cell division. One is meiosis, and next is the mitosis. So meiosis happen only in the germ cell, like we can say sperm cell, egg cell, okay, and mitosis happen in the somatic cell. Okay, so someone asked me RNA to protein process name. Okay, so when RNA converted into protein, RNA actually not convert. Okay, actually RNA is the process where it provides some data to develop a protein. Okay, and that process is known as the translation. Why it called translation? Because our body understand the protein language. You know why I am talking like this? अब देखिए आपका बॉडी है ना प्रोटीन का लैंग्वेज सुनता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन यूर बॉडी देयर हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्किंग प्रोटीन. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? वर्किंग प्रोटीन इन द सेंस इफ एनी मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी गोइंग ऑन at that time your body requires some of protein. Okay, and you already know about enzyme. Okay, so enzyme also made by the protein, and you already know there have lot of major function doing by the enzyme. So enzyme is a very great thing inside your body, and enzyme also made by the protein. So protein is the thing which work as a one of factor who drive the metabolic processes inside the body. Okay, but DNA do not directly process or drive your metabolic things. मतलब metabolic process को DNA डायरेक्ट नहीं चलाता है. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? तो उसका कन्वर्शन किस में होना जरूरी है? प्रोटीन में होना जरूरी है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई अब ये प्रोसेस कैसा है? DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. Okay, and that's why RNA have a sum of data, and this data translate into protein, and protein is a understandable for your body mechanics. मतलब हमारे बॉडी मैकेनिक्स को डीएनए नहीं समझता. योर बॉडी मैकेनिक्स or body metabolism not understand the language of DNA, not understand the language of RNA. It understood only protein language, and that's why this process is known as the translation. I think you understood it. ठीक है, आप लोगों को समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि इसे ट्रांसलेशन क्यों कहते हैं. So RNA is the intermediate who convert DNA coding into protein. ठीक है, तो RNA एक इंटरमीडिएट रहेगा उसके बीच. Next thing in the feature is the cell growth. Okay, then now what is mean by cell growth? Cell growth को तो पता ही है आपको. There are two type of cell growth. First is a growth of cell directly. Next is a multiplication of cell. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से दो सेल ग्रोथ, दो टाइप का सेल ग्रोथ हम देखेंगे. Next is the formation of reproductive unit. Then what is mean by reproductive unit, guys? Like sperm cell and egg cell are the reproductive unit. Reproductive unit means a things which involve in a reproduction, that is a reproductive units. Next is the formation of new individual from respective units. So if these two units are made to each other, then it develop a new individual. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? वो नया इंडिविजुअल को फॉर्म करे. ठीक है, so this is the some basic feature, or we can say this is some of advanced feature जो हमने कल नहीं पढ़ा था, लास्ट डे हमने नहीं देखा था, इसलिए मैंने इसको इंक्लूड किया है. and it is this all condition are the very basic. मतलब if you want to develop new organism, अगर हमें नया ऑर्गेनिज्म अगर डेवलप करना है तो इस प्रोसेस से जाना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है, अगर ये प्रोसेस नहीं होता है तो ऑर्गेनिज्म का डेवलपमेंट इम्पॉसिबल है. रिप्रोडक्शन डजंट हैपन एट दैट कंडीशन. So this definition also we already are taking in last session, that is offspring is produced by single parent without involvement of gametic fusion. Here gametic means there have no sperm cell, no egg cell, that is a gametic fusion. These are called clones. उसे हम कहते हैं clone. Next is the characteristic of asexual reproduction. So this thing also we discussed in the last session. A single parent is involved, gamete doesn't form, no fertilization happen, and that's why it is known as agamogeny. Yeah, agamogenesis. So please remember this word, agamogenesis and agamogeny. Agamogeny means there have no gamete involved in it. ठीक है, so fertilization, if gamete not involved, then how fertilization happen? That's why if no fertilization, then it known as agamogenesis. Genesis, what is mean by genesis? Genesis का meaning होता है reproduce. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? गैमो मीन्स गमिट्स, ए मीन्स नहीं, नो. ठीक है, मतलब इसमें रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए, फॉर द रिप्रोडक्शन देयर हैव नो गमिट इन्वॉल्व, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज agamogenesis. Next, only meiotic division happen, and that's why it is a somatic reproduction. We already talked about meiosis and meiosis, I think. So meiosis is the reductional division. ठीक है, reductional division, and it happen for development of sperm cell and egg cell only, that known as the meiosis process. But in case of mitosis, for example, this is my hand, and my hand have a specific skin. So skin cell multiply with a mitotic cell division, not a meiotic cell division. But sperm cell and egg cell are multiply with meiotic process. Okay, so please remember this thing. Yes, equation. Okay, mitosis is not the reduction actually. Mitosis is the addition, complete addition. ठीक है. So what is mean by somatic cell and germ cell? Germ cell और somatic cell के बारे में I think we already talk about. ठीक है. So in case of somatic cell, all the cell are somatic except sperm cell and egg cell. Sperm cell and egg cell are the germ cells. Okay, and sperm cell and egg cell are the haploid cell. Other, that is somatic cells, are diploid cell. Then what is meant by diploid? When chromosome contain in pair, मतलब जब क्रोमोसोम का कंटेन पेयर में रहेगा. Okay, or we can say when chromosome contain present in pair, that is known as the diploid. Okay, diploid cell. If chromosome contain present not in pair, that is if chromosome contain present only in a single chromosome. Okay, for example, this is a sperm cell, and sperm cell represent only single chromosome like that. In that condition, it is known as the haploid. इसे हम कहते हैं haploid. ठीक है, ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. Daughter organism are generally identical in parent in case of asexual reproduction. Multiplication is a very rapidly in a asexual reproduction. So this is some characteristic of asexual reproduction. Next is the occurrence where it happen in unicellular organism, many plant and simple animal. Okay, we already talked about this thing in the last lecture in one question. It is absent in vertebrates and higher invertebrates. So in higher organism, this thing not happen, that is asexual reproduction not happen. So this is the question, which one below is not a purpose of reproduction, that is continuity of species, population organization, creation of new species, variation. ठीक है? So I am launching the poll for you. Please answer guys, answer fast. जल्दी जल्दी आंसर कीजिए इसका. Incorrect Shanta, incorrect Deepa. Actually incorrect Chandrasekhar, Pooja, incorrect. Actually this is the higher, क्या बोलते हैं उससे, HOTS question. I don't know what is meant by HOTS. Higher order thinking skill question. So सोच समझ के आंसर दो इसका. तुक्का मत लगाओ. श्रीनिधि का आई थिंक करेक्ट है. करेक्ट सहाना. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन हम जो है वो ऐड करते जाएंगे जो थोड़ा हटके है. फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू वांट टू थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. करेक्ट दीपा. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं. मैं वैसे आंसर बता दूंगा उसका. ओके, ओनली 10 seconds left guys, please answer fast. Okay, I am ending the poll now, and this is your result, and there have a lot of variations in your result. देखते मैं बताता हूँ इसका actual answer क्या. Maximum people choose an option D. Option D is obviously incorrect. So correct option is the option C. Then how option C is the correct? So first of all, we read the question. Which one below is not a purpose of reproduction? Reproduction का purpose क्या नहीं है? So obviously continuity of species is the purpose of reproduction. No issue. Population organization is the purpose of reproduction. Actually, what is meant by population of organization or population organization? It is nothing but the simply population. or increment in the population, it is the population organization. That means organized organism, that is a population, उसे हम कहते हैं population. ठीक है. Next thing is the variation. So variation is the product of reproduction. Okay. Why variation is the product of reproduction? Because you already know about the mutation. Okay. And mutation continuously happen when organism get reproduced. जब organism reproduce होता जाएगा, so there have one of stage where mutation happen. मतलब एक कोई तो भी ऐसा स्टेज आएगा, उस स्टेज पर म्यूटेशन होना ही होना है. And due to mutation, after this we can say generation, next generation develop variation. Next generation में क्या तैयार होने वाला है? Variation. Variation means there have some minute differences in organism. Okay, or we can say minute difference, not in organism, okay, in a DNA only. DNA के अंदर जो minute differences हमें दिखेंगे, that is a variations. Okay, but creation of new species. So here word is the species, not individual. If creation of new individual is a word, अगर वहां पर होता है, at that stage this statement is correct. But here they ask which one below is not a purpose of reproduction. So creation of new species is not a purpose of reproduction. So which condition happen to create or to develop a new species? कौन सा condition चाहिए नया species तैयार होने के लिए? So mutation and variation is one of condition for the creation of new species. मतलब मैं ये कह रहा हूं आपको कि कंटिन्यू ऐसा नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज अ मेल, ये हमारा मेल है, ये हमारी फीमेल है. ओके, एंड दे डेवलप सम वन ऑफ बेबी. ओके, सो दिस बेबी इज अ न्यू इंडिविजुअल, बट दिस इज नॉट अ न्यू स्पीसीज. ये नया स्पीसीज नहीं है, बट इट कंटेन अ वेरिएशन because इसके DNA में वेरिएशन रहेगा. Okay, and it also continuity of species means this organism, means this baby also continue the reproduction in next generation. Next, if this organism come in the organization, at that time population get increases. समझ में आ गया? मतलब ये सारा कंडीशन फुलफिल हो रहा है, but this is a not a new species. ये नया स्पीसीज नहीं है. Then which condition is required to develop new species? Actually development of new species is a gradual and slow process. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि डायरेक्ट ऐसा मुर्गा बन के आएगा, मुर्गी बन के आएगा, लाइक दैट. डायरेक्ट डॉग बन गया, कुत्ता बन गया, भालू बन गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ओके, इसके लिए एक प्रोसेस चाहिए. एंड म्यूटेशन इज द पार्ट फॉर द क्रिएशन ऑफ न्यू स्पीसीज. ओके, ये एक पार्ट है. अब मैं बाकी के पार्ट बताता हूँ. rather than mutation, next is the adaptation. You already know about the adaptation. If any organism adapt in specific condition, तो वही जो है आगे चल के उस condition के लिए proper रहेगा. Next is the evolution. So evolution is a very important thing. And in case of evolution, there are some things you want to already know, and that thing is the natural selection. So natural selection also important for the creation of new species. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? So this thing we will discuss in evolution. Okay, ये चीजें है ना हम evolution में पढ़ने वाले हैं, जो हमारा reproduction का ही नहीं, सॉरी अपना कौन सा लेसन है वो? हाँ, DNA RNA वाला लेसन जो ना, molecular biology. So my molecular biology का last part है, that the last part of this unit, that is unit name is genetics, and that is a evolution. उसमें ये सारी चीजें देखेंगे, how new species develop. Okay, in detail. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So type of asexual reproduction here. So there are several types. So these things we will want to complete in today's session. That is a fission, budding, fragmentation, gamete formation, regeneration, spore formation, vegetative propagation. So let's start with the fission. फिशन से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे ये चीजें, देखते हैं क्या क्या होता है। ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। So this is the binary fission. What is mean by fission actually? Fission means a splitting into. Okay, for example, this is a first organism. This organism is the first organism. Okay, and this first organism split into new individual, and that known as the fission. उसको ही हम क्या कहते हैं? Fission. So this is a simple definition of fission. Fission का अति simple, अति सुलभ जो है ये definition है। So here there are four type of fission. First is a simple binary fission. An example is amoeba. Next is a longitudinal binary fission. Example is euglena. Next is a transverse. Example paramecium, planaria, diatoms, bacteria. Diatoms. What is meant by diatoms? I think you already know. Oblique binary fission. There is ceratium. Ceratium is the flagellates. Okay. So this this organism found generally in ocean. So what is meant by simple binary fission? So in case of simple binary fission, there have one organism, okay, and इस organism का एक specific growth हो जाएगा, and after this specific organism, for example, this is the amoeba, okay, and after the complete growth of this amoeba want to डिवाइड, ओके, एंड डिवीजन जो होगा यहाँ पर बिल्कुल बीच में से होगा, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइडेड, इनके डिवीजन के अंदर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइडेड दी वी कैन से न्यूक्लियस, ओके, एंड आफ्टर डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस हियर यू कैन सी न्यूक्लियस डिटैच्ड, ओके, एक और यहाँ का स्टेज रह गया है, फॉर एग्जांपल इस तरीके से न्यूक्लियस गेट डिटैच, न्यूक्लियस डिटैच हो गए, एंड देयर हैव न्यू इंडिविजुअल गेट फॉर्म। सो दिस इज अ सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ बाइनरी फिशन। इसे हम कहते हैं बाइनरी फिशन। सिंपल सा है, कुछ नहीं होता इसमें। क्या होता है? सिंपली सेल में जो है डिवाइडेशन हो, ओके। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द लॉन्जिट्यूडनल बाइनरी फिशन। सो यू कैन सी हियर longitudinal binary fission, and this happen in the euglena. So you can see here, this is the complete euglena, ये complete euglena है, okay, and there have some longitudinal furrow develop like that. So this is the longitudinal axis, okay, ये जो axis रहेगा that is the longitudinal axis, and here you can see the longitudinal furrow develop. Furrow means we can say gap, okay. Furrow का मतलब होता है gap. For example, this is my complete hand, okay, and this is the furrow, and this is the longitudinal furrow, इस तरीके से, okay, and that's why it is known as a longitudinal binary fission. In case of paramecium, it is known as the transverse binary fission, okay. Transverse in the sense, for example, this is the complete paramecium, and the paramecium divided in between, okay, and that thing is known as the transverse. इसे हम कहते हैं transverse. So you can see in this diagram, this is complete paramecium, okay, and here you can see division started, and here new daughter cells develop, okay. Next thing is the oblique fission. Oblique. Then what is mean by oblique? For example, this thing, if I cut the cell like that, so this is the longitudinal, okay. इसे हम कहेंगे longitudinal, ठीक है. If cell cut from in between portion, that thing is the transverse, ठीक है. But some cells or some organism divide like this, like a diagonally, and this thing is known as oblique. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है. सो यू कैन सी इन दिस डायग्राम, ये डायग्राम में देखिए आप, दिख रहा है ये. सो दिस इज द ऑब्लिक फिशन. ओके, and example of oblique fission is a serratium. Okay, so this is all about the fission. Okay, fission is a very simple process. Fission is a very fast process again, because maximum organism develop uh, in in very we can say less time. For example, in case of bacteria, there have fission happen. Okay, bacteria के केस में अगर बोला जाए, and that's why बैक्टीरियल कॉलोनी गेट डबल इन 24 आवर, मतलब 24 घंटे में डबल हो जाता है, 24 आवर में डबल हो जाता है. ओके, एक्चुअली फिशन एंड दीज थिंग्स आर हैपन ओनली इन अ लोअर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. जो लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म रहेंगे उनमें ये चीजें हमें देखने को मिलती है. चलिए नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द मल्टीपल फिशन. ओके, then anybody describe the difference between multiple and binary fission? कोई बता सकता है? And why multiple fission happen? चलिए बता सकेगा कोई? मल्टीपल फिशन क्यों होता है? ओके, in binary fission there is a two daughter cell. Yes, correct Vishwajit, because it is easy to replicate into many daughter. ठीक है, उसने बोला है दीपा. रुक्मिनी क्या बोल रही है? इट इज अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन. करेक्ट रुक्मिनी. राघवी, बाइनरी डिवीजन टू इक्वल फ्रॉम वन. ठीक है ठीक है. चलिए विश्वजीत, मल्टीपल डिवीजन मोर देन टू डॉटर्स. ठीक है, ओके ओके, चलिए चलिए चलिए, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. चलिए मैं बताता हूँ, सिंपल सी चीज है. when unfavorable condition create, at that stage amoeba do not go to binary fission. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? when unfavorable, for example, what is the unfavorable condition for lower organism? lower organism के लिए कौन कौन सा unfavorable condition रहेगा? For example, if salt increases surrounding or in surrounding of organism, acid or base increases around the organism, heat increases around the organism, okay, or very cold condition increases around the organism. So this is the some example for the unfavorable condition. For example, this is our amoeba. Okay, and this amoeba want to develop a daughter cell. Okay, so natural thing, or we can say it is a natural, we can say, process of division in a amoeba is a binary fission. You already know about it, but some unfavorable condition happen, and due to this unfavorable condition, the pseudopodia of this amoeba withdraw some chemicals. Okay, I'm repeat it, they withdraw some chemical. Okay, and these chemical are very tough. For example, this is a amoeba. Okay, and they develop some type of layer. Okay, around it. ठीक है, and this is a very thick covering. ठीक है, and it known as cyst wall. Cyst wall. Okay, and this phenomena is known as incistation, and this phenomena known as incistation. Okay, so if anybody asks you when unfavorable condition happen and at that stage amoeba develop some cyst wall, so what what is the name of this process? The name of this process is incistation. So in incistation, okay, here they develop some cyst wall, and due to this cyst wall, no one, these things, that is salt, acid, base, heat, and cold, like that, that is temperature condition, salty condition, acid base condition, not any reactions happen inside, और वी कैन से इनसाइड जो अमीबा रहेगा उसके ऊपर इसका कोई भी एक्टिविटी या रिएक्शन नहीं चलेगा. बट इन दिस स्टेज दिस अमीबा also get multiplied, मतलब इसी स्टेज के अंदर भी वो क्या होगा, खुद का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेगा. ओके, लाइक दैट. And after coming the favorable condition it get rupture, मतलब जब favorable condition आ जाएगा at this stage it get rupture. Okay, and they release the multiple amoeba. ठीक है, multiple amoeba, and that's it is known as the multiple fission. So you can see in this diagram again. ठीक है, yes, sporopodia spore formation here, okay, and young amoeba develop like that. तो इस तरीके से ये प्रोसेस पूरा चलता है, that is the multiple fission. So in case of multiple fission, only amoeba is not an example. There are a lot of again examples. So like plasmodium. Anyone know about plasmodium? किसी को पता है? Please answer in chat box. Anyone know about plasmodium? I think you all know about malaria. So plasmodium is the parasite for malaria. Mosquito is a vector for malaria. That means mosquito transfer the plasmodium. That's why it is known as a vector. Vector means vahak. Vahak in the sense transporter. Okay. So this is the multiple fission in plasmodium. Okay, so this thing we will discuss in we can say human health and disease lesson. Okay, but थोड़ा सा मैं एक idea दे देता हूँ. Actually this is a seasoned, and this seasoned develop in human RBC. Okay, ये हमारे RBC में develop होता है. Okay, और we can say they live in RBC and liver से. Okay, and उसके बाद इस तरीके से they develop some daughter cells, and after development of daughter cell this complete season get burst and daughter cell release. Again this daughter cell infected to the next RBC. मैं इसको रेड कर देता हूँ. This is the RBC. Okay, and again they develop inside it. Okay, so this process is known as the schizogony. So please remember this thing, that is a schizogony. 1 minute, guys. Schizogony. If it happen in RBC, or we can say in humans, okay. Okay. Rukmini, sir, multiple fission is amoeba called sporulation. Yes, yes. Multiple fission also known as sporulation. Multiple fission जो है अमीबा का, इसको sporulation भी कहा जाता है. ठीक है. Why? Because amoeba produces number of spore. Okay, spore means small things which capable to generate organism. That is a spore, and that's why it is called sporulation. इसको sporulation भी हम कहते हैं. ठीक है. Next thing is if this happen in RBC and liver cell, then it is known as schizogony. Okay. If it happen inside the mosquito body, it is known as sporozoites. So this thing we will discuss. whenever this chapter come in detail, so don't worry about this. Okay, so next next is the plasmotomy. Then what is the mean by plasmotomy? So plasmotomy is the division of multinucleated parent. So I am right here, it is the division of multinucleated parent. Okay, and this multinucleated parent develop a multinucleated organism. For example, you can see here, this is multinucleated parent. So these black spot are the nucleus, and they develop some multinucleated progenies. Okay, so okay, here one thing want to remember, no division of nucleus happen. यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन नहीं होता है, ठीक है. एंड देयर हैव वन एग्जांपल दैट इज प्लेओमैक्सा. देन व्हाट इज मीन बाय प्लेओमैक्सा? आई थिंक ये आप लोगों को नहीं दिख रहा होगा, रुक जाओ मैं अलग से लिख के देता हूँ. ये डायग्राम में इस तरीके से एग्जांपल इज प्लेओमिक्सा and what is a pleomixa? Pleomixa are nothing but giant, or we can say giant amoeba. मतलब बहुत बड़ा जो अमीबा होता है उसे कहा जाता है प्लियोमिक्सा. ओके, एंड दिस थिंग, इसमें होता क्या है, सिंपली मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड पेरेंट डिवाइड इनटू मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड daughter cells. Okay, but here no division of nucleus happen, and example is the pleomixa. Chaliye, next thing is the budding. Okay, then what is the mean by budding, guys? So budding is the outgrowth. So I am right here, it is the outgrowth of organism. So it is the outgrowth developed in one side of cell. Okay, that is means budding. Okay, that is some bud like structure develops. You can see this diagram, this is some bud like structure. Okay, this again continuously bud like structure develop. At one stage this bud like structure यहाँ से अलग हो जाएगा. Okay, and after that they develop individually. Okay, so next thing is here also डिवीजन वगैरह जो है न्यूक्लियस का, ये सारी चीजें इसमें होने वाली है, ठीक है. दिस थिंग जनरली हैपन इन द ईस्ट, इन स्पीसीज ऑफ ईस्ट. द स्पीसीज ऑफ ईस्ट is known as the torula. So I think you already observed this torula in baker shop. Okay, so it also known as the baker yeast. Baker yeast, baker yeast means yeast used for a bakery product, that is a baker yeast. Okay, and and this known as the torula, and that's why it is known as the torulation. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, torulation कहेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं इसी के साथ. Sorry. So next thing is the budding in animal. So there have two type of budding in animal. First is the exogenous, that is external budding. Next is the endogenous budding. ठीक है. So in exogenous budding, the bird develop outside of the organism. ठीक है, bird develop outside of the organism, and that is known as the exogenous or external body. And example are Hydra and Cyclone. Okay, so you can see in this picture Hydra and Cyclone. Next thing is the endogenous budding. In case of spongilia or spongilla, there have some development happen inside the organism. Okay, so you can see in this picture, there have some development happen inside the organism, and it converted or it developed as a new individual. Okay, and that's why it is known as endogenous budding. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Endogenous budding. Okay, ठीक है. So development of bird within a parent body, within parent body, is known as endogenous or internal budding. ठीक है, चलिए. ठीक है, an example is this spongy. चलिए, next is the fragmentation. So what is meant by fragmentation? Fragmentation is the thing where we organism get cutted. For example, this is complete organism. Okay, and it cut in some places, from the some places like that. Okay, and some fragments are developed, and this fragment develop new organism, new individual, and that is known as the fragmentation process. Okay, so we can write here parent body break into several parts and develop new organism. ठीक है, that is known as the fragmentation. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Fragmentation. Actually, in case of spongilia, there have two modes, but here we talk about only asexual reproduction. ठीक है नवीन, चलिए. So here is the several examples of fragmentation, that is sponges, colenterate, echinoderm, algae, fungi, bryophyta, pteridophyte, Spirogyra is the best example for it. Okay. Next thing is the gamete. So gamete formation you already know about. I think you learn it. जो हमने प्लांटाई वाला है ना, किंगडम प्लांटाई, उसमें ये सारी चीजें देखी हुई थी. So they are unicellular or multicellular propagules that detach from the parent. Okay, so I am right here, propagule detach from parent. Okay, then what is meant by propagule? Propagule is a small spore like system. Okay, that potential to develop into new organism, and that is known as the propagule. Okay, and this gamete presented Marchantia. Okay, so this is one of example. Actually, these propagules are float on the water. Okay, for example, this is a water stream, and ये water stream में ऐसे float होते होते जाएंगे, and they reach to new place. Okay, and develop into new organism. वो नए organism में इसका development हो जाएगा. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next thing is the regeneration. Then what is meant by regeneration, guys? Regeneration nothing but the regrowth of injured organ. Regeneration nothing but the regrowth of injured organ. मतलब जो इंजर्ड ऑर्गन रहेगा उसका रीग्रोथ होना. सो यू कैन सी इन दिस प्लानेरिया, आई एम राइट हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, regrowth of injured organ. Okay, so you can see here the planaria. Okay, so if we cut this planaria, for example, ye dekho, here we cut this part of planaria. Okay, but this part of planaria get developed again. ये part जो है वो फिर से develop हो गया. Okay, for example, we cut this part of planaria, this part also get developed. अगेन इस तरीके से जितना भी पार्ट ऑफ कट करते जाओगे वो फिर से डेवलप होते जाएगा इन स्पेसिफिक प्लानेरिया. यस 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 श्रीशाली, नो इश्यू. यस यस, हो सकता है ऐसा, क्यों नहीं हो सकता? बिकॉज इन लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म देयर हैव सेवरल मेथड्स. ओके, where some organism develop by sexual also and asexual also, ऐसे दोनों भी कंडीशन है. Most of these things happen in a funguses. फंगस में ये चीज हमें ज्यादातर देखने को मिलता है. हाँ यस, हाइड्रा बडिंग जो है वो हाइड्रा में भी हमें देखने को मिलता है. ठीक है. So in case of regeneration, there have regrowth happen, and there are two types. First is of morpholaxis, epimorphosis. Then what is difference in between morpholaxis and epimorphosis? तो एक एक चीज जो है वो हम देखते हैं. ठीक है. So in case of morpholaxis, whole body grow from a small part. So I am right here. Whole body grow from small part. Okay, and in case of epimorphosis, only lost body part grow. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Okay, Saujanya, we will talk about planaria, others reproductive things. ये हम बाद में थोड़ा सा इसको डिस्कस करेंगे लास्ट में. मैं थोड़ा फ्लो में हूँ तो ये कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. ठीक है. प्लानेरिया में भी अदर मेथड्स है रिप्रोड्यूस होने के, ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है, उसमें भी अदर मेथड्स है. ठीक है. बिकॉज दिस थिंग दैट इज कटिंग द प्लानेरिया इज द एक्सीडेंटल थिंग. ये तो नेचुरल प्रोसेस नहीं हुआ ना. इट इज द सम ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा एबिलिटी ऑफ प्लानेरिया. ये प्लानेरिया का एक्स्ट्रा एबिलिटी है. ठीक है, प्लानेरिया के अंदर. फॉर एग्जांपल इन केस ऑफ लिजार्ड. ठीक है, लिजार्ड के केस में क्या होता है, इफ दिस टेल गेट कट एट दैट टाइम, ये टेल क्यों कट करता है उसका भी एक रीजन है. इफ लिजार्ड फील डेंजर, ओके, सो दे वांट टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट प्रेडिएटर. मतलब प्रेडिएटर को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए वो क्या करता है. हाँ यस, epimorphosis is the example, sorry, tail of lizard is the example of epimorphosis. But epimorphosis have two conditions, that is reparative regeneration. Reparative regeneration means somewhere some cells get developed, okay, for repairing a specific organ, and a restorative regeneration means whole organ get developed, that is a restorative regeneration. So in case of tail of lizard, whole tail get developed after the cutting. ठीक है. And why it happen? Lizard want to distract their predator, and that's why they cut, or the mechanism of their body cut tail automatically. मतलब वो खुद का टेल खुद कट कर देता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ये भागने के लिए ये भाग सकता है, ठीक है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट दे सेव फ्रॉम द प्रेडिएटर, उसका जो शिकार होने वाला था उससे वो बच सकेगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज सम एग्जांपल ऑफ इपीमॉर्फोसिस, ओके। चलिए नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द 1 minute guys. Okay, next thing is the spore formation. No, Srishali. New lizard not grow from the tail. Actually, regeneration in lizard is the epimorphosis process. In case of morpholaxis, okay, in case of morpholaxis, whole body grow from the small part. So that's why I'm writing here. इसलिए मैं ये लिखवा के देता हूँ कि हर चीज ध्यान में रहे आपके. Okay, only tail grow, correct. Only tail grow in case of in case of restorative regeneration. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next thing is the spore formation. Okay, then what is mean by spore? So spore is a small structure, and this structure get developed in a whole organism, or they have some potential to develop organism. ये organism में develop हो सकते हैं. This spore like ये किस तरीके से काम करेंगे? Like a seed. Okay, but seed is the sexual product of plant. ठीक है, जो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है ना, उसका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो सीड है. ओके, but spore are the asexually developed, okay, or aquatically developed on plant. So there are lot of in lot of organisms spore formation happen. Maximally it happen in algae, fungi. इनमें ये ज्यादा हमें देखने को मिलता है, like zoospore, जैसे phytomycete, Chlamydomonas, Elotrix, Conidia, for example, penicillin. In case of Chlamydospore, Rhizopus, Agaricus, Odia, उसका example है Agaricus. Okay, इस तरीके से, ठीक है. So this is the spore formation. Maximally it found in algae and fungi. Next thing is the vegetative reproduction. So there are two methods in vegetative reproduction. First is the natural, next is the artificial. एक मेथड जो है वो हम देखते देखते जाएंगे. चलिए. So what is the mean by vegetative reproduction? First of all, so vegetative propagation or reproduction is it is the formation of new plant from a vegetative unit. Okay, so I'm right here. Formation of new plant from vegetative part. Okay, then which are vegetative part? For example, stem, root, leaf are the vegetative part of plant. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. इसमें दो मेथड है. First is the natural method. So in case of natural method, if we want to talk about stem, so there have two type of stem. Okay, actually lot of type of stem, but हम यहाँ पर दो ही type देख रहे हैं. That is underground stem, that is tuber, bulb, corm, rhizomes and sucker. Okay. So again subaerial and creeping stem. Creeping means ये इस तरीके से जो जाती है, वेल बोलते हैं उसे, बेल या वेल, like that. ठीक है, ऐसे ऐसे डेंड्राइल वगैरह होते हैं उसमें, like that. ठीक है. So there are runner, stolen and offsets. Okay, इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं है इसमें, मैं शॉर्टकट में बता देता हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा एग्जांपल आपको. ट्यूबर का एग्जांपल कोई बता सकता है? वैसे ये पार्ट हुआ है हमारा. स्टेम के केस में पोटैटो, पोटैटो इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल फॉर ट्यूबर। सभी को पता है, होना भी चाहिए बिकॉज अभी अभी हुआ है हमारा 11th में। पोटैटो, हाँ। बल्ब्स का एग्जांपल गार्लिक, ओनियन, सो आई एम राइट ओनियन। कॉर्न, एक्चुअली दिस इज अ मॉडिफाइड स्टेम, इसको मॉडिफाइड स्टेम कहा जाता है। कॉर्न का एग्जांपल क्रोकस, फ्रेशिया, ओके, कोलाकैसिया, कोलोकैसिया। Rhizomes, the example of rhizomes are ginger, turmeric. ठीक है, it is. Next is the sucker. शक्कर का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? मिंट, ठीक है। क्राइसेंथेमम, ठीक है, इट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ शक्कर, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट आर द रनर, रनर का एग्जाम्पल लॉन ग्रास, लॉन ग्रास। द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्टोलन, स्ट्रॉबेरी, ओके। ऑफसेट का एग्जांपल क्या है? पिस्टिया, पिस्टिया इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल, ठीक है। सो दिस इज सम एग्जांपल, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस एग्जांपल, ठीक है। ओ चलिए, हाँ, इची, इची ऑर्निया आल्सो वाटर हाइसिंथ, द कॉमन नेम फॉर इची ऑर्नेट इज द वाटर हाइसिंथ, ठीक है। चलिए, सो नेक्स्ट थिंग is the root, okay। So in case of root there have several lot of example of it, इसके भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल हम दे सकते हैं, ठीक है। रूट के केस में टैप रूट एंड अदर adventitious root are the vegetative part, so I am right here, tap root, okay, so like that। रूट का सिंपल सा प्रोसेस रहेगा। Yes, yes, I will share it. No, no problem. So these things are the vegetative, okay. An example is sweet potato. Next is a leaf, and bryophyllum is the best example for it, ठीक है। bryophyllum में क्या होता है? सीधा सीधा हम क्या करेंगे? We use a leaf, ठीक है, for the development of plant, इस पे डेवलपमेंट होगा प्लांट का, लाइक दैट। पिक्चर में आप देख ही रहे हो ये चीज, ठीक है। चलिए, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट इज अ आर्टिफिशियल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन। सो एक एक देखते हैं क्या क्या है। तो आर्टिफिशियल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन, और आज का पोर्शन हम खत्म कर लेते हैं जल्दी जल्दी, ठीक है। So, in case of artificial vegetative propagation, we uses some part of plant and it apply artificially. Artificially means हम इसको लगाएंगे खुद, ठीक है, and that is known as the artificial vegetative propagation. So, in case of cutting, uh, you can see in this picture some part of plant get cut। यहाँ से हमने एक पार्ट को कट किया and we add into the soil directly, okay, and that is known as artificial vegetative propagation। Here we use some type of we can say chemical growth hormones for the development, जैसे we use IBA, ठीक है, that is indole butyric acid and AAA, ठीक है। ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रूट हम क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, IBA, ठीक है, दैट इज इंडोल ब्यूटेरिक एसिड। ओके, कटिंग के लिए, ठीक है। इन केस ऑफ लेयरिंग वी यूज ऑफ सम स्टेन, ठीक है, use stain, okay, and this stain add in the soil, ठीक है, इसको हम सॉइल में ऐड कर देंगे लाइक दैट, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट this stem get develop root inside soil, मतलब soil के अंदर ये root को develop करेगा, for example like that, okay, and on the soil, ठीक है, it develop into leaf, okay, and that is known as the layering, ठीक है। So there are a lot of type in layering like mount layering, okay, air layering, okay, simple layering like that, बहुत सारे टाइप है उसमें, वो कोई हमें देखना नहीं है फिलहाल। Next thing is the grafting. So in case of grafting, there have two parts. One part is known as the scion. ठीक है? So scion is the growing part, or we can say growing upper part. Okay, and one part is the stalk. Stalk is the root part. Okay, so you can see in this picture, here is the one part, for example this, and this intact with root, okay, and this is the upper growing part. So हम क्या करेंगे इनको, we want to attach it इस तरीके से, इसके अराउंड हम एक थ्रेड को जो है वो टाई कर देंगे, टाइट विथ थ्रेड, एंड आफ्टर सम डेज इट डेवलप इनटू कंप्लीट प्लांट, उसके बाद ये कंप्लीट प्लांट में डेवलप होगा। देन व्हाई this process, why we want to doing this type of work, why, what is the advantages of grafting? So here one thing we want to clear in your mind, that is this lower growing part is able to fast growth। समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, मतलब निचला पार्ट है ना बहुत स्पीड से बढ़ने वाला होता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई अपर वाला पार्ट अगर स्लो बढ़ने वाला है तो we attaches both part, that is slow growing part and fast growing part. So this fast growing part grow fastly, and that's why this plant develop fast, इसका जो रिप्रोडक्टिव स्टेज वगैरह है उसमें ये जल्दी डेवलप हो जाएगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस थिंग वी डन, मतलब ग्राफ्टिंग हम इसलिए करते हैं। इन केस ऑफ वेज ग्राफ्टिंग यू कैन सी स्टॉक आर कट इन बिटवीन, यहां से हम इसको कट करेंगे लाइक दैट, एंड सी ऑन मेड लाइक अ पेंसिल टिप, ऐसा पेंसिल टिप बनाएंगे, एंड वी विल एडेड दिस पेंसिल टिप इनटू द स्टॉक इस तरीके से, एंड फिर से इसको जो है हम लैमिनेट कर देंगे लाइक दैट। In case of crown grafting, you can see in this picture, okay, the sorry guys, the stalk part look like a heavy and have a maximum space, यहाँ पर बहुत सारा space हमें मिलेगा, but in case of scion part, in case of scion part there have multiple scion, added on the one of broad स्टॉक पार्ट, ठीक है, एक ब्रॉड स्टॉक पार्ट पर हम मल्टीपल सियन को ऐड करेंगे। देन व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट, बिकॉज वी वांट दिस डेवलप इनटू मल्टीपल वे, मतलब हमें बहुत सारे प्लांट चाहिए यहाँ पर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी डूइंग दिस, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज नोन एज अ क्राउन ग्राफ्टिंग, इसे हम कहते हैं क्राउन ग्राफ्टिंग। चलिए, if you have any type of doubt in it, please ask in chat box. मल्टीपल में हम क्यों कैसे ऐड करेंगे, सिंपल है, यहाँ पर हमने जिस तरीके से किया ना, जिस थिंग दैट इज वेज ग्राफ्टिंग हमने जिस तरीके से की, उसी तरीके से मल्टीपल में करेंगे। ठीक है, यहाँ पर एक होल को डेवलप करना होगा फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस तरीके से, ठीक है, लाइक दैट, ये समझिए इस तरीके से, एंड वी एडेड द स्टेम्स हियर, इस तरीके से हम स्टेम को ऐड करते जाएंगे। ठीक है, लाइक दैट। नेक्स्ट जिस थिंग्स जो हमने अब तक पढ़ी है, दैट इज vegetative propagation, artificial vegetative propagation is the general practices inside the plant nursery। ठीक है, ओके ओके, 1 मिनट। हाँ, इन केस ऑफ वेज ग्राफ्टिंग हम क्या करेंगे, वी यूज अ सियोन, ओके, एंड दिस सियोन पार्ट कट in the middle, okay, and we develop a small gap like that। यहाँ पर एक small gap हमने develop किया, and scion part develop और cut as a pencil tip, ये pencil tip जैसा हम कट करेंगे, and ये इसमें इस तरीके से फंसा देंगे। ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? एंड इसके बाद इसको टाई कर देंगे पूरी तरीके से। ठीक है, सो दैट इज अ वेज ग्राफ्टिंग, इसे हम कहते हैं वेज ग्राफ्टिंग। चलिए, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन। क्या क्या है? फास्टर एंड मोर सर्टेन मेथड फॉर प्रोपगेशन। सो वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन इज वन ऑफ फास्टर प्रोपगेशन। व्हाई इट इज फास्टर प्रोपगेशन? बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू उसका क्या बोलेंगे, राह नहीं देखनी पड़ेंगे आपको कि नेचुरली ये चीजें होगी, because natural process is the slow process, and that's why we go through the vegetative propagation, that is artificial vegetative propagation। ठीक है, अगर आप नेचुरल प्रोसेस से चाहते हो तो क्या होगा, there are lot of time, natural process take a lot of time, that's why it is a faster and more certain method for propagation। ठीक है, next thing is preserve the characteristic of food and flower crop। so this is a not a hybridization, here no any variation get happen, because वही चीज जो है वो हो रही है, कंटिन्यू चल रही है, that's why it preserve the characteristic of food, flower and crop। some plant like banana do not reproduce seed at all, and that's why we want to multiply it vegetative। next thing, next is the advantages, no new variation happen in this process, इसमें वेरिएशन नहीं होता, एंड वेरिएशन नहीं होता तो डेवलपमेंट का भी चांसेस नहीं है। देयर हैव शॉर्ट लाइव प्लांट्स, जो हमने डेवलप किए गए हैं इस प्रोसेस से, दे आर दी शॉर्ट लाइव प्लांट्स। स्किल पर्सन आर रिक्वायर्ड, किसी को भी ये नहीं जमेगा। ओके, मोर ससेप्टिबल एंड टू दी डिसीज, मतलब इनमें डिसीज होने की संभावनाएं ज्यादा। एडवांटेज ऑफ सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन क्या है, एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन क्या है, okay, sorry, advantage of disadvantage of asexual reproduction। so no mate required, this is the advantage। involve simple division process like mitosis, this is the advantage। quick mode of reproduction, this is also advantage। okay, next thing is single parent only required, and that's why single parent produces large number of offspring। it give clone of parent, so this is the advantages। next is no variation, it is the disadvantage। अगर वेरिएशन नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, इवोल्यूशन नहीं होगा आगे चल के। इट हैव नो रोल इन इवोल्यूशन, वही मैं बता रहा था। इट मे कॉज ओवर क्राउडिंग, इससे ना बहुत ज्यादा क्राउडिंग हो सकता है। फॉर एग्जांपल बैक्टीरिया, okay, propagation inside the bacteria, and that's why intra-species competition get increased। then what is mean by intra-species competition? in case of intra-species competition, competition develop for the food and shelter, food and shelter, competition develop for food and shelter in a same species, मतलब same species के अंदर जो है वो कंपटीशन होगा। इट में कॉज, हाँ ये हो गया, हैव लो अडेप्टेबिलिटी टू चेंज एनवायरनमेंट। ठीक है, ये जो है, हाँ हाँ, वो अडेप्टेड नहीं रहेंगे बिकॉज वेरिएशन नॉट हैपन, दैट्स व्हाई अडेप्टेशन इज अ लो। So this is some disadvantage of asexual reproduction, and this is homework for you. Observe the method for sexual reproduction in your surrounding nature. Learn different propagation of plant. Read amitosis and mitosis for the cell cycle chart. Okay. So this is for the today, and I am launching the feedback. Please give me answer in poll. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask.